Hi, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at Choetech's Quick Charge 3.0 Fast Charger Power Adapter. And so this is actually what you'll get here. And I like that these prongs are orientated this way rather than usually they're orientated this way. It takes up much more space on a wall charge. Two ports, so this will go sideways and it should fit with another charger on the bottom. This comes with one USB Type A port. And like I said, it's Quick Charge 3.0 enabled. So if you have a phone that has a late model Qualcomm chip, it usually comes with a Quick Charge technology. This is also compatible with Quick Charge 2.0 technology. So if your phone is QC2 or QC3, this one adapter will work. And we like it because it's small form factor and because of the technology included. And it's easy to use on a trip. You just put it in a travel bag, take it out when you need it. And these prongs, the way they're orientated is great. So usually I said they're like this, and actually like this for this one. So save on space and share the other power port with somebody else. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.